Hi guys, my name is Ray Lawson, founder, owner of DigitalWorx. I wanted to take the time to actually show you guys what is on the back end of DigitalWorx, what makes us different, and I believe it is our dashboard. It is the sub account, the free sub account that you can start off with DigitalWorx, so that way you can understand and take more of your marketing plan and put it in your hands and make the decisions as you need to. So the first thing I want to show you guys is our dashboard. Now, with each one of these segments I'm going to show you, I'm going to let a video play just to give you an idea, and then we'll go a walkthrough, and then I can try to paint the picture of exactly how this is relevant to your business and how this can actually help you. So here we go with the very first one.
Using dozens of different softwares to run your business can be costly and cause major gaps in your workflows. Now, you can use one platform to run your entire business. It's the one place for every member of your team to work in complete unity. Marketing software to help you generate leads, manage campaigns, and convert more clicks into customers. Sales CRM software to shorten your sales cycle, automate tasks, and close deals faster with actionable insights. Fulfillment software to manage your projects and deliverables at scale so you can focus on the growth of your business. Customer service software to build loyalty and make customers happier faster. Having all this premium software at your fingertips is one thing, but with the ability to pull all data into one dashboard, that's truly revolutionary. Drag and drop from dozens of pre-built widgets to create the custom dashboard of your dreams and get all your data updated from all apps in real time. Add your first dashboard widget now.
All right. That is an overview of our dashboard, which it does come with a contacts, website analytics, form overview, fresh leads, template overviews, and deals added. And it will also come with a reputation management app, which has just now been developed. It's in beta right now, but we're still providing you that service. I want to go over to that for our first app after the dashboard, which is necessarily going to be your contacts. Contacts is going to be where you upload all your information. Contacts is just not the businesses that you work with, but it's also the people that you work with. And it's putting them in an area to where you can get all your information from that contact all in one place. With the contacts, we have it segmented into two, in people and businesses. But before I get to getting ahead of myself, here, I have a video for you.
A contact record is more than just a piece of data. It's a person, a business, an opportunity. And now, your contacts sync flawlessly throughout an entire ecosystem that functions like a brain, creating a truly unified experience with all the other applications. Add, view, and segment all your contacts to push your sales process forward faster. Then, unify all communication with leads, prospects, and customers directly from their contact cards. Have conversations via SMS and email. Schedule meetings, leave notes, view associated events, and so much more. Finally, take a deep dive into your contact data with group filtering and segmentation. But wait, already using an existing CRM? Not a problem. Use our bulk upload or data transfer feature to migrate over all your contacts, deals, and notes with the click of a button. Start managing your contacts with the power of the ecosystem at your fingertips and let the real fun begin. Create your first contact now.
So yes, that is our contact app. That is just one of the many powerful apps that you're going to find here in this dashboard. And just to take you through a real quick walkthrough of this, say we have John Doe. John Doe, we have his email address, all of his contact information right here in a list form. But it goes deeper than that. See, when you click on John's name, you can actually come up with all of John's information right here on the right, even down to job title, address, street, gender. You can also interject notes that when you have a copy or conversation with John or whoever your client or prospect might be, you can actually keep detailed notes in that folder, in that contact card, for just not you to come back to, but if you need to have somebody else follow up with them, all that information is segmented right there. With John, you also get his associated business. So John's painting is already going to be associated with John Doe and vice versa. So when we come back to people and we go to the business contact card, and now we have John Doe's painting, we can click on that as well. And now the associated person that you're going to talk to is actually going to be John Doe. So all that information is just synchronized and kept within two segments of a contact card, but they incremental just for the person and the business, just keeping that synchronization happening right there. The contacts card, for me, I would say probably is the most powerful app inside of this dashboard, but not to take away from the other ones because they are just as useful. And I'm going to show you the next one, which is going to be sites. All right. So sites, well, wait a minute. Let me show you this video.
Having a website for your business is important, but having one that converts clicks into customers, that's where all the magic happens. Our websites are all built with one thing in mind: generating leads and increasing revenue for your business. With our beautifully crafted, responsive sites, visitors will be able to guide through your website with ease from any device. Then, our search engine-friendly site structure will help your website rank faster and be found in search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. But best of all, use our effortless drag-and-drop website builder to customize your site, make changes, add promos, and so much more. Plus, make sure to stay on top of competitors and diagnose your site with in-depth analytics to see how your site is performing. Finally, all you need is a domain name, and we'll handle the rest. Our sites are hosted on Amazon Web Hosting with automated daily backups and come with an SSL certificate for added security. Your dream website is now a click away. Activate your site now to get started.
So yes, we actually have not only web development and web hosting capabilities, but we offer you your own website design builder. So just to briefly show you exactly what that looks like, I'm going to click on this edit tab up here in the corner. It's going to open up a separate page. And in this page, as soon as it loads, in this page, what you're going to see is, once again, it's like our demo for today, which is Visual Outlook Studios. But you can actually go in here and pick the pages, the widgets, content, personalized e-commerce. If you want to run an e-commerce store and you want to load up all your merchandise and all the pricing, you can do it all right here without having to hire a web designer. Of course, now if you do need help or you would like us to maintenance your website for you, we also have the capabilities to do that. One good thing that I would say of with this web builder that is probably my favorite is the fact that I can come in here and I can pick English to Spanish, and now I can already customize my website into a whole nother language just with a click of a button or going back. Okay, so that is our website builder, which also lets your website be optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Just to show you, here you can actually have the mobile view right there, and it'll show you exactly what your website is going to look like on your mobile phone or on a tablet or on desktop. So coming back, you also have analytics. Here at the bottom of the page, you're going to see analytics as far as your total views in real time, form submissions, call to click and map click. So somebody visits your website and they click on your map wanting to see more information which is associated with Google, it's going to let you know right there that somebody clicked on the map on your website. Click to call. If you have a click to call button on your website to where it's automatically going to call them from the phone, if they're on mobile and they kick the call, so they just want to call you instead of Googling you or looking for you, it's going to let you know from right here in your dashboard that how many click to calls that you've had in real time. Same way with form submission. Also that you'll have analytics of knowing what browser people was using when they searched for your website, geolocation, where they was actually from, and any form responses that they might have left. So that is almost it in a nutshell. The platform for sites, this app right here alone, I can tell you is almost worth just jumping in and getting a website from us, because now you don't have to go from one platform to another platform to another platform to get all this information. Nope, you just get it all right here within inside the DigitalWorx platform. All right, the next app that I want to talk to you guys about is templates. And before I forget this time, we're going to go ahead and run the video first, just to give you an overview of exactly what templates is and what it can do for you.
Creating redundant messaging to prospects and customers can become a tedious task, especially at scale. Writing the same message over and over multiple times a day can waste a lot of valuable time for your team. Now, you can easily create, manage, and segment custom templates that can be used throughout the entire platform. Personalize your templates with data from contact profiles to craft the perfect message and skyrocket conversion rates. Then, let the fun of automations begin by inserting your templates into any automation you create from other apps within the ecosystem. Once the system triggers the template to be sent, we'll customize your message with the personalized fields you injected and send it out on your behalf. Start unifying your messaging across your entire organization to create a seamless experience for all. Create your first template now.
All right. So now we just seen a quick video on templates. Templates, like you said, like you heard in the video, templates can be mass bulk produced, or you can send out one template at a time. It's totally up to you. In your plan, you actually have so many templates, either has so many templates and so many emails and so many SMS messages that you can send out monthly. But like I said, as your business grows, so does the capabilities of our software. So for instance, we have right here in this first one, we have to where it says, this is our promo code template, which is an SMS. So send it out on a text messages. It will actually take the person's first name and it will inject it right there when it says first name. Also, it will say, take advantage of blank offer. Whenever you offer, you put in there, it will actually, it'll put that offer in for you. Today, by using our exclusive discount code, in captions, we have code. Now, you can upload whatever code it is that you want. Take 24, off 36, whatever it is, whatever combination that you want your code to be recognized as. This is how these codes are being generated, and now you have the same power to do this as well. We've seen online before to where people are offering these awesome promotion codes. And one big time is that people offer promotion codes is Black Friday, to where people want to have these discounts. Now you have this same opportunity to push out a promotion code just like they do and watch the metrics come in. So templates is a very powerful tool. It saves time, it saves effort, and it saves headache. I think that's kind of almost self-explanatory for that. So the next app that we're going to look at, I believe, is going to be Deals. Yes, Deals. Deals is for you to track the progress of where your clients or potential clients is coming into your sales funnel. And I'm going to let the video go ahead and play to explain some more.
Progressing deals and increasing revenue within your sales organization has never been easier. Create and assign new deals to reps and simply move your sales cycle forward across one or even multiple pipelines. Customize fields, start conversations, create reminders, add attachments, associate contacts, add notes, and more. Everything you need to stay productive, all in one beautifully crafted deal card. Next, shave hours of time every single week from every teammate by using deal automations and to automate your workflows. The setup takes minutes to create, then set it and forget it. When a deal stage changes, trigger custom emails, SMS messages, and so much more. Focus more of your time on what matters most, pushing deals forward. Finally, gain insights and showcase your leaderboard to create a truly transformational experience for your sales team. Start increasing sales and saving time. Together, create your first sales pipeline now.
So there we have deals. I especially like deals because I love organization. I feel that when you have an organized process, things flow easier, they're less chaotic, and you know exactly what the next step in your process is going to be because it's already been organized. And this actually is a helpful tool in your SOP. If you don't know what an SOP means, that means a standard operating procedure. So in your standard operating procedure of how you do things, having this injected into your marketing and into your sales is just putting your team ahead of the game and actually giving them the tools to where they can make things happen a lot faster for that conversion. Okay, so once again, when you have a contact card, John's deal, we can put him in just as the lead in, and this can also, like I said, also be automated to where when they trigger, John triggers a lead in and he gets an email and it's like, hey, look, I like this, I want to do this. It can actually trigger another action to where now it's going to made to where now that contact has been made. And from there, he can sign up to be consulted and then get followed up and so forth and so on. We have reporting, so reportings of knowing, hey, you know, what leader, what sales team or what sales person in sales that you actually have that's knocking it out of the board. They're moving people compared to somebody that might be struggling to get a little traction. You can actually get those reportings of knowing who in your sales team is doing what, and also try to get those metrics of knowing, you know, on 1 week compared to the previous week, sales was up, sales was down. So you can start tracking things in your business and knowing for sure how things are going and to project on how things are going to go into the months coming. So going on to our next app is going to be Inbound. I will tell you right now, Inbound is probably the smartest way to track where your customers or your potential clients are coming in from. So I'm going to let the video play and then we'll talk more.
Managing leads from funnels, landing pages, advertising platforms, and call tracking providers can be quite overwhelming. Leads tend to get scattered around and lost along the way. Now, you can easily manage all your inbound leads across multiple third-party platforms, such as ClickFunnels, Facebook lead ads, ManyChat, phone sites, Kartra, and many more. Set up inbound campaigns within minutes and create custom lead notifications and round-robin assignment rules for your sales reps to manage their leads fast and efficiently. Along the way, automatically create contact records and deals when new leads hit the dashboard without lifting a finger. Then, manage and filter through all your inbound leads from one singular page without tediously logging into dozens of other platforms. Finally, gain insights, showcase your leaderboard, and create a truly transformational experience for your sales team. In a life where automation meets lead management, it doesn't get any better than this. Start managing leads the way you've always dreamed, effortlessly. Create your first inbound campaign now.
All right, leads inbound, you have to nurture these inbound leads just not with quality, but with quickness. So as we start seeing what takes it from a hot lead, warm lead, cold lead to an ice cold lead, you can segment those to know exactly, hey, this is somebody I might need to retarget. This is somebody I might need to reach out to right now. This is somebody that, hey, that I need to put right back off into my sales funnel to retarget them, to bring them back, nurturing your audience. So going forward into our analytics app. All right, and once again, we have another video.
Tired of logging into multiple dashboards to get marketing reports for your business? Now, you can connect all your marketing channels into one single app and get a bird's eye view of your entire digital footprint. Track channels such as Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, directory listings, Google Analytics, call tracking, and much more. Gain useful insights with our custom analysis feature, which displays key indicators on what's working and what's not, so you can make smarter marketing decisions moving forward. Also, since we're connected directly to the source, we're tracking data in real time with the most important KPIs available at your fingertips, all from one beautifully crafted user interface. It's now time to start diving deeper into your marketing data to increase top-of-funnel opportunities and skyrocket sales for your business. Connect your first integration now.
As awesome. Integrations is basically just taking all these, there we go, all these different avenues and bringing them into one place. Now the listing managers, we offer listing managers, but I'll get to that in here in a later bit of time. But of course, Facebook ads, your call tracking metrics, call rail, even Google Analytics to Google ads, to even your SEO campaign, all of these things can be brought in here into your analytics. So that way you know exactly what's going on, because numbers don't lie. You know exactly what's going on with your marketing efforts, where you're putting your money at, and you're just not hoping and wishing on somebody else's word that, hey, this is going to work out. No, we show and tell just because we show and prove. And so with your metrics, we want those metrics to be available to you 24/7 in real time, so that way you know and you won't have to wait for a report from a month to getting a word on, yeah, this is working, this isn't working. No, you actually have those metrics and that data right there at your fingerprints inside of the DigitalWorx dashboard. Going forward, come back. All right, going forward, we have forms, and then we have one more, but here is the video to help you more understand what forms is and how it can help.
Collecting information nowadays is crucial for your businesses. From contact forms on your website to surveys sent out to customers, project onboardings that need completion, applications for landing pages, and the list goes on. You can now easily create forms on the fly using our drag and drop form builder, or select from hundreds of pre-built templates. Change up the style by creating classic, group, or card forms to collect the perfect set of information just the way you need it. Add styling to match your brand. And if you're using forms for marketing campaigns, you can even fire event pixels upon submission to track conversions. Then embed the form on your website, send it out to contacts, or even use it as landing pages for your next marketing campaign. Finally, sit back and watch the form submissions roll in. Create your first form now.
I would definitely say that forms and inbound work hand in hand. You've seen the inbound app. So when you actually running these campaigns and you have, like she said, a form on your website, or you're running a landing page in a Facebook ad, now these metrics can be actually pulled from, and you can see exactly who's filled out a form, who's maybe partway filled out a form, to who just bypassed the form altogether. All this information is gathered right here in the dashboard. The builder, classic form, like you've seen in the video, we had classic form, the group form, and the card form. And of course, there's different templates. There's different templates when it comes to, so if you wanted to do a registration, there's about 28 different registration forms that you can put on. A sign up, you wanted to have someone sign up, we can have these forms as well. And these forms can also come into you can actually send them as a link inside of a template. So if you was wanting to send out a template, an email template, and you wanted to capture some of this information that's on a form as well, that you can do. All right, so even a survey, if you wanted to get a poll, you wanted to survey a group of people on your email list, and you wanted to get some feedback, here you go. Now you have a form to where now you can send this off to them in an email and grab that information and grab that data. So the forms is a very useful tool. Once again, found in the DigitalWorx dashboard. And I think last but not least, I have reputation. We have reputation management. Now, reputation management. Okay, let me see if we have. Okay.
Each of your many locations has its own online presence, yet your online image doesn't correspond to your real reputation. In addition, you need to maintain a range of channels online, from business directories to online reviews and social media. Customer ratings have a particularly strong influence on purchasing decisions. Too few or no reviews present a problem, just like bad reviews and incorrect information. Without any technical support, it's really difficult to cope with this enormous data load. Our modular platform allows you to manage all this data in one central place. Among other functions, it allows you to manage reviews from all your channels in a central place and respond directly. Our software analyzes your customers' feedback and allows you to act accordingly. Close the gap between offline and online reality. With our requesting tools, you can generate positive, authentic reviews. The all-encompassing reputation score displays your location's online performance at a glance with comparative competitor statistics. This way, your online reputation improves, ranking you nearer the top in searches. This makes you more visible to your customers.
And for right now, we have Facebook and Google My Business, but I do plan on acquiring Bing, Yelp, and some other different sources of gathering reviews. But what we do is we grab all these sources for reviews, and as you're found on all these sources and people are leaving reviews, instead of you having to go and find where somebody on Yelp left a review, or you have to go back and respond to somebody on Google My Business that left a review, or you have to log in Facebook to respond to somebody that left a review there, because we all want to nourish those that's leaving reviews. I mean, they're doing us a good bit of service. Even if they're leaving us a negative review, that's still an opportunity for us to try to make things right and still, show others that seeing that we're willing to make things right. So having all these review metrics, having all these review categories and places brought into one place, one dashboard, so that way you can manage them from your phone, from your desktop, from wherever you are in one dashboard, is a very valuable tool that we here at DigitalWorx want to provide to you. I think that is about it in a nutshell. We went over all the dashboard, the contacts, the sites, templates, deals, inbound, your analytics, your forms, and last, your reputation management. My name is Reyes I. Lawson. I appreciate you guys for staying through this whole video. And I'd like to hear some feedback on what you thought about this presentation, what you thought about this video. So leave a comment below or drop us a line and just let us know what you thought. All right, until next time, guys, have a good one.